Cebu 5th District Representative Duke Frasco has filed a bill seeking to regulate the sale of caskets of funeral establishments. This is to ensure the availability of affordable caskets for those in need. The price of caskets ranges from 5,000 to 300,000 pesos. Frasco noted lower-priced caskets are of limited availability in most funeral parlors. The bill mandates that affordable caskets should be made available in all funeral establishments. If there is no available affordable casket and the deceased is indigent, the funeral parlor should be obliged to offer a casket of higher value, but the price should not exceed 12,000 pesos.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.